Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Agricultural Engineering. Today we are going to see ICAR AIEEA PG question paper with solution 2020 Agriculture Engineering part 3. So let's start. Rankine's formula is used for calculation of lateral pressure in case of shallow bin, deep bin, both shallow and deep bin, ultra deep bin. The answer is shallow bin. Arrange the components of the grain combine harvester in the correct sequence as per the flow of material from the start of the operation through different components: reel, feeder conveyor, platform auger, straw walker, threshing cylinder. Choose the correct answer from the option given below. The correct sequence is first reel, then platform auger, then feeder conveyor, then threshing cylinder, and at the last straw walker. A real fluid in which the shear stress is directly proportional to the rate of shear strength for velocity gradient. It is known as ideal fluid, real fluid, Newtonian fluid, non-Newtonian fluid. The answer is Newtonian fluid. Match the list 1 with the list 2. We directly go for the answer. Permeability is the ability of material to transmit fluid such as water. Specific retention, the ratio of the volume of water a material retains after drainage by gravity to the total volume. Specific yield, the ratio of the volume of water will yield when drainage by gravity to the total volume. Transmissivity, the rate at which water is transmitted through the unit width of aquifer under a unit hydraulic agent. If the annual fixed cost of a tractor operating moldboard plough is rupees 90,000, the variable cost is rupees 500 per hour and custom hiring market value is rupees 700 per hour. Calculate the annual break-even hour of use of the tractor is 250 hours per day, 350 hours per day, 250 hours per year, 350 hours per year, 450 hours per year, 550 hours per year. So the answer is 450 hours per year. How to calculate this? Break-even use can be determined by the following formula. Break-even use is equal to annual ownership cost divided by custom rate minus operating cost. In this case, the annual fixed cost is 90,000, variable cost is 500, and custom hiring market rate is 700 per hour. So we will get 90,000 divided by 700 minus 500, which is equal to 90,000 divided by 200, and we will get 450 hours per year. The severity of workload is considered heavy when heart rate of worker is less than 100 beats per minute, 100 to 125 beats per minute, 125 to 150 beats per minute, greater than 150 beats per minute. The answer is 125 to 150 beats per minute. The uniformity coefficient of soil is calculated as D60 multiplied by D10, D60 plus D10, D60 minus D10, D60 by D10. The answer is D60 by D10. The most critical vibration for tractor operator is 4 to 8 Hz, 1 to 8 Hz, 12 to 20 Hz, 3 to 5 Hz. The answer is 4 to 8 Hz. Find the general solution of the differential equation dy by dx is equal to 1 plus y square divided by 1 plus x square. Tan inverse x plus tan inverse y plus constant is equal to 0, minus tan inverse x minus tan inverse y plus constant is equal to 0. Tan x minus tan y plus constant is equal to 0. Tan inverse y minus tan inverse x is equal to constant. So how to solve this? To solve this, first we need to shift this 1 plus y square into this side and 1 plus and dx to this side. So we will get dy by 1 plus y square is equal to 1 plus x square, 1 divided by 1 plus x square into dx. So after solving we get tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse x plus constant. So by shifting tan inverse x in left hand side, we will get tan inverse y minus tan inverse x is equal to constant. Placing a group of seed at about equal interval in rows is called drill seeding, hill dropping, bed planting, precision planting. The answer is hill dropping. Remember that word, in a group, placing a group of seeds. For group of seeds, hill dropping, and for single seed, precision planting. The water content at which soil changes from liquid state to plastic state is known as plastic limit, liquid limit, shrinkage limit, plasticity index. The answer is plastic limit. Pitcher irrigation is used for water storage, water conveyance, irrigation, drainage. The answer is irrigation. Find the value of 1 minus sin x divided by cos square x dx. Tan x plus sec x plus constant, sec x minus tan x plus constant, tan x minus sec x plus constant, minus tan x minus sec x plus constant. The answer is tan x minus sec x plus constant. Discharge could be determined for suppressed rectangular weir by which of the following formula? Q is equal to 0.0184 LH raised to 3 by 2, Q is equal to 0.0184 1 minus 0.1 H into H raised to 3 by 2, Q is equal to 0.0184 1 minus 0.2 H, H raised to 3 by 2, Q is equal to 0.184 LH raised to 3 by 2. The answer is Q is equal to 0.0184 LH raised to 3 by 2. And for if the rectangular where one side is contracted, then the formula becomes second one, and if both sides are contracted, then the formula becomes Q is equal to 0.0184 1 minus 0.2 H into H raised to 3 by 2. Which of the following is not a valid representation of bits? 8 bits, 16 bits, 14 bits, 32 bits. 24 bits is the correct answer. Effective diameter of aquifer material is defined as the diameter of the grain such that x% of the grain are finer. X is equal to 10, 40, 60, 90. The answer is x equal to 10%. Match list 1 and list 2. Choose the correct answer. So I will directly tell the correct answer. Knife clip is for mower. Throughput capacity is for thresher. Reel index is for combine harvester. Flail is forage harvester. Find the derivative of the function given by f of x is equal to sin x square. Answer is 2x sin x square minus 2x sin x square minus 2x sin x square 2x cos x square. So for finding derivative of sin x square, we know that the derivative of sin x is cos x. So sin x square, for sin x square derivative is cos x square. After that we need to differentiate x square, so we will get 2x cos x square. Tractor engine is designed to produce maximum torque at a speed at which maximum power is developed, lower than the speed at which maximum power is developed, higher than the speed at which maximum power is developed, at which minimum power is developed. Answer is at which maximum power is developed. The speed in revolution per minute of a geometrically similar centrifugal pump of such a size that under corresponding conditions it would deliver 1 liter of liquid per second against a head of 1 meter is known as pump capacity, pump efficiency, pump head, specific speed of pump. The answer is specific speed of pump. Observation well is used for the investigation of soil moisture content, water table in confined aquifer, water table in unconfined aquifer, determination of ferritic line. The answer is determination of ferritic line. Point of no return is related to cost economics of tractor, tractor stability, fuel injection system of tractor, tractor hitch system. The answer is tractor stability. Point of no return is at which the point at which tractor not come on his front wheel, means after sometimes the front side of tractor get lifted, and at certain point it will fall back side, it will never come on front side. Which one of the following stream bank protection measures is to be adopted where the stream takes to measuring eroding the bank, and where the cuts are vertical? Wooden jack series, groynes of spurs, check dams, brushwood dams. The answer is groynes of spurs. An irrigation stream of 30 liters per second is diverted to a check basin of size 12 meter by 10 meter. The water holding capacity of soil is 15%. The average soil moisture content in the root zone prior to applying water is 7%. How long should the irrigation stream be applied in the basin to replenish the root zone moisture to its filled capacity, assuming no loss due to deep percolation? The depth of crop root zone depth may be assumed as 1 meter. The apparent specific gravity of the root zone soil is 1.50. 6 minutes, 8 minutes, 10 minutes, 12 minutes. The answer is 8 minutes. How to solve this we will see. The percentage of water should be irrigated is calculated by water holding capacity minus average soil moisture content, which is equal to 15 minus 7. We will get 8%. Depth of water to be irrigated is equal to percentage water irrigated into root zone depth into apparent specific gravity, which is equal to 8 divided by 100 into 1 into 150. We will get 0.12 meter. Volume of water needed is equal to depth of water into area, so 0.12 into 12 into 20 meter cube, we will get 14.4 meter cube. Now we want to convert this into liters, so 14.4 into 1000 is equal to 14,400 liters. Now duration of irrigation is equal to volume of water divided by irrigation stream in liter per second, so we will get 14,400 divided by 30 is equal to 480 seconds, which is equal to 8 minutes. At 65% relative humidity, dry bulb temperature will be equal to dew point temperature, less than wet bulb temperature, greater than wet bulb temperature, equal to wet bulb temperature. The answer is greater than wet bulb temperature. The term piezometric surface is used for which of the following type of aquifer? Unconfined aquifer, confined aquifer, semi-confined aquifer, purged aquifer. The answer is unconfined aquifer. The ratio of design stress to the estimated maximum stress is called reliability, factor of safety, efficiency of design, overload factor. The answer is factor of safety. A relationship between delta, duty and base period is given as D is equal to 8.6 B by D, D is equal to 8.6 B by D, B is equal to 8.6 D by D, D is equal to 8.6 D divided by B. Please check this answer, means most of the students get confused while solving this question. So the answer is small d is equal to 8.6 capital B divided by capital D. Discharge rating liter per second of a pump operating in an area A hectares is given by which of the following relationship, where D is depth of application in centimeter, E is field application intervals in days, and H is operation period per day in hours. So 278 AD divided by FHE, 278 ADF divided by HE, 278 DHF by AE, 278 FHE divided by AD. After arranging that units, we will get the correct answer, which is 278 AD divided by FHE. Thank you for watching our video. For the next part number 4, please stay connected with us. Thank you.